The main use case of the software is to replace physical menu on the restaurants or say hotels or any different kind of business with electronic version. So basically, in most cases where I saw, sometimes they use QR menus, but when you scan these QR menus, so you get just a PDF version of the hard copy of menu, printed menu, and where you can just read. Here we have a solution for any kind of business that allows to in very easy and fast way to set up their own QR menus and use in their business. Let me show you how it easy to set up. So you choose the company, you can add new one, you can choose languages on which you like to see the menu. So we support all major languages and it easy can be extended. So you specify name of the business, you can specify it in different languages. For example, you specify domain for the domain on the which your site will be hosted. You can specify subdomain, it will be hosted on our domain, or you can also use your own domain. You specify the header, choose header image, logo for your site, specify the currency, specify the options your site consists, if it has delivery mode, it has takeaway mode, or it has in-house mode where you order when you're in restaurant. So basically it is all set up of the business. Next you add categories by specifying it name, also is multi-languages, and choosing images for this category. In category you can add products, specify name, also multi-language, description, price for the product, and choose the image of the dish or product. I don't know, actually possible to add anything. That is a basic setup. Also you specify, I call it units. So basically it is say in terms of restaurant, it's they are tables. Each table has number and unique QR code. In this QR code you have to put to the table that the visitor can easily start the order. So every QR code is unique, and that's all is the basic setup of the application. And now I will show you this application from mobile phone in action. I just forget to mention that one of the major feature of software is first of all integration with Telegram Messenger. For example, each of your waiter responsible for particular table in your restaurant can get notification if new order is placed by customer. So this way, say, new modern orders can be placed without any contact with the restaurant or say hotel staff. And now I will show you the application in action in my mobile phone. So basically you start ordering by scanning QR code on your table. You navigate to online menu, you choose categories, choose some dishes, add you to the cart. Really nice and very easy, so you can go to your cart and place your order. So basically you get success notification, and notification staff received to his Telegram application. So staff can go to their Telegram, see the actual order, what was actually ordered and what price and what quantity, and next they can confirm the order, say, or close the order. Software can also work in delivery or takeaway mode. So let me demonstrate this also. So I add some dishes to cart. Hit the cart button, and here I can choose if I like this order delivered or I will do takeaway. So let me show in delivery mode. I hit proceed. Now I fill all my data: name, phone, email, and address of the delivery. And we have PayPal integration, so you can charge directly in the application your customers. So I hit pay PayPal, log into my PayPal, and hit pay now. Payment is processing, and you will get notifications that successfully processed payment, and the responsible person is also receiving notification to his Telegram application where they can see the exact order. The same way application works with takeaway, just you have to specify less data when you choose it. So you need just name and contact phone and pickup time. You have to specify pickup time and then hit place order. And again we get notifications that order is placed and get notification to our Telegram application. Next cool feature called QR promotion. Imagine on in the restaurant on your table you have a banner that tells you that you will get discount when you scan this QR code. So customer scans this QR code and get to the page where he sees the banner of the discount, so they get 20% discount during next restaurant visit. Now I specify my name, email, and phone number and hit get discount, and software notifies me that thank you, we mailed your QR code with discount. So it is delivered to your mailbox and you can see it here. And when you it is actually a link with description what you have to do to get this discount. And during next your visit of the restaurant, so you basically start your order as usually by scanning QR code on the table. So you get there. Now you can go to your mailbox and click the link with the discount, and you get notifications that product with discount added to your cart. And when you go to your cart, you will see that product with discount added to your cart. So basically it is really nice motivation for the customers to visit second time of your restaurant. Okay, let's back to the back-end system again. And so basically these QR promotions are used to capture customers data. So basically we have this clients menu here, and here you can see name, email, and phone number of the customer who take part on the QR promotions, and here you can use these emails to mail these customers or send some SMS, etc. Moreover, the system has a really good order management system, so you can see all your orders, so all in-house orders, delivery orders, takeaway orders, so you can filter them by dates, by type, etc. Also you can change the status of the order. Here, for example, for delivery orders you can see status of the order, number of the order, delivery shipment address, so status, and what was actually ordered. And here you can easy change the status. For example, so we got this payment and prepare to delivery, and I choose change the status that it's in delivery mode, and I can specify tracking ID, and right after that customer get notification to their email that his order is in delivery. Also, for every company we can specify, we can add sub-users. Here we go. For example, we can give the permission, so for example, this user has permission to this company only, or we can specify another company or add a few sub-users. For example, if you sell this service to restaurant owner, so he can define responsible person in his company that will have access to the system. So basically this software is replacement for hard copy restaurant menus with notification of the staff when new order is placed. So it is convenient for both for restaurant customers and restaurant owner, that it dramatically saves time in the communication, and especially in the COVID times. So basically people like to minimize any kind of communication, so basically they can place their order visiting restaurant without any contact with the restaurant staff. Also, this application can be used say in hotels. So instead of tables we can specify a list of the rooms, and hotel guest can, when he is in his room, just scan QR code and order something to his room. Moreover, this application can be used as say a general store to sell any kind of stuff online. Especially it is good that this has integration with PayPal, so you can directly in the application take payments.